Learners, there's one more thing you need to know about Smart Futures, and that is how many activities do I do? So if you are in kindergarten, you are going to do activity 1 and 2, just like I showed you in this video, and then you are finished. You do not have to go any further. If you are a first grader or a second grader, then you need to do 1 and 2, and then you are going to go on to complete activity 3 and 4. So first and second graders, you need to do 4 activities total. So do 1, 2, just like I showed you, and then jump into 3 and 4. Third graders, now your numbers look a little silly because they're not in order, but there's a reason for that. We need you to do activities 1 and 2, just like you saw me do it in the video. Then you're going to jump down to 5, complete it, and then jump to 10 and complete that activity. Third graders, once you're done with those 4 activities, you do not have to do any more, but you may if you would like. You can go back to 3 and you can do as many as you like. Thank you for watching my video today. Remember, you can go back and re-watch it to remember how to log in to Smart Futures with your QR code. Don't lose that QR code, because if you have to come back and do more activities, you need that QR code to get back in. Thank you, everybody. Have fun learning about careers and jobs. Have fun thinking about what do you want to be when you grow up. I think that's such an important question, and I think it's kind of fun to think about. So have fun, enjoy, see you later.